The voltage relay, also known as a voltmeter relay, is a fundamental and essential component in refrigeration systems that use single-phase compressors. This device ensures the proper energization of the compressor start winding and automatically disconnects it once the compressor reaches its nominal operating speed. Voltage relays are preferred because they offer more reliable, precise, and efficient operation in refrigeration systems with single-phase compressors. By relying on voltage, they allow for more accurate control of the start winding disconnection moment, reducing the risk of damage and improving energy efficiency. Let's remember that an amperemetric relay measures the current in the circuit and disconnects the start winding when it decreases to a predefined level. However, the starting current may vary due to factors such as load fluctuations, voltage drops, or environmental conditions, which can lead to inaccurate disconnections. Additionally, initial current spikes can cause the amperemetric relay to act erratically, especially in motors with difficult starts or fluctuations in the electrical grid. Next, we will explain its operation in detail. 1. Inside the voltage relay, there is an electric coil connected specifically between the terminals labeled points 2 and 5. 2. Additionally, between points 1 and 2, there is a switch that remains normally closed in its natural state, allowing current flow in initial conditions. 3. When the voltage relay is energized, points 2 and 5 begin supplying power to the relay coil. At the same time, since the switch between points 1 and 2 is closed, current flows to the compressor start winding, energizing it and enabling its operation. 4. On the other hand, the run winding of the compressor receives power independently through point 4, ensuring its simultaneous operation during this initial phase. 5. During startup, both the start and run windings of the compressor are energized, facilitating a quick and efficient motor start. However, within a fraction of a second, the voltage relay coil, powered between points 2 and 5, generates a magnetic field. This magnetic field is strong enough to attract the switch, opening it and disconnecting the start winding from the circuit. 6. This way, the compressor continues operating only with the run winding, preventing system overloads and ensuring stable and safe compressor operation. Wiring and connection of the voltage relay. For a correct and safe connection of the voltage relay in refrigeration system compressors, the following steps must be carefully followed. A. First, the power supply line must be connected to the relay through the terminal identified as 5. B. From terminal 5 of the voltage relay, a wire must be derived and connected directly to the thermal protector of the system. C. From the thermal protector, a connection must be established to the compressor's common terminal, ensuring circuit continuity. D. The neutral of the electrical installation must enter the voltage relay through the terminal designated as point 4. E. From point 4 of the relay, a wire must be connected to one of the start capacitor pins, allowing for proper power supply. F. From the same start capacitor pin, power must be supplied to the compressor's run terminal, commonly identified with the letter R. G. From point 1 of the voltage relay, another wire must be connected to the other start capacitor pin, thus completing its circuit. H. Finally, from point 2 of the voltage relay, power must be supplied to the compressor start winding, ensuring its initial activation.